It has arrived. The beast has arrived. 270 pounds of sauna. Right in our apartment. When it first came, it came on a big, it was just like this, except for it was on a pallet and it had some wood around it to protect it. And you know, they brought it up, took it off. Here we are. Well, we'll see how easy or hard it is to actually get it where it's gonna go, which is over on the balcony. So let's get this baby rolling. Alright, so we've got half of it unwrapped and we can actually see the inside. And there's the seats and arms and legs and steam generator, everything is inside. And it's looking good. Yeah. Ooh. Rebirth Pro. All right, we're gonna open it up and take out the steam generator because it's heavy. And I'm still gonna move it over to the balcony. So, we do have the world's smallest balcony, but the view is pretty awesome. And with this bad boy, we'll actually use this balcony. Oh man, it's actually still pretty easy to slide it around. Okay, this is epic. Sweet. I'm guessing that this is the bottom, like where your feet go. All right. And this is obvious. This is obviously a bowl for, I don't know what, maybe vodka, maybe berries. And this is some kind of shield to block the haters. All right, and this would be the steam generator, as I suspected. Let's get her out. Ooh. Okay. All right, that's gotta be it. Yep, that's it. Wow, this looks pretty serious. Ooh, I like the nuclear button looking things. On, off, okay, easy enough. So these little red guys just kind of come right off. This little shaky red thing shakes, and it turns out it is a pressure release valve, hence the shaking part, the little red thing. All right, and last but not least is this guy, and it looks like, oh, okay, there we go. Let's get that baby on. All right, I'm gonna guess that works. And last but not least is this guy. I guess he goes up here. No, I really don't know. But we'll find out shortly, won't we? And then there's this, which I don't know where this goes, but I know it goes back here. Here we go. I didn't realize there was little holes that have to line up. And there's this guy. He obviously goes here. All right, Now I just gotta figure out, this is some kind of temperature thermometer. Not sure where it goes. I presume it goes inside the little sauna, aka banya. And this is the actual tube that will be delivering the steam. So let's drag this puppy outside. That's it. All right, so we connected the steam. This thing is where the steam comes out, and we connected it to the far back side, which you can barely see. Now, there's a little hole that is in the back, and that's what the thermometer gets fed through. That's right about here. All right, so this little hole, you put your herbs in here, but this is also the water. Oh, that's pretty scary considering I just plugged it in. But I think they've, dealt with that. All right, guy in here, because it's like the middle of what, 3. I'm pretty average, so figured that's pretty safe. I really should read the instructions, but it seems pretty self-explanatory. And this seems like it's the drain for that, so I'm gonna just put this down there and let's turn it on. So now I've thrown in the seat and the other wooden thing, which I guess is a footrest, and I'm just gonna close it up, turn her on, and get her roaring. Oh, sweetie, can you hand me the head thing? There we go. All right. And it's all set. Let's see what happens. So, I did see something about AA, and it did say AA, and I guess we'll turn it on. All right. Now, I think we just wait. All right, so read the part about temperature adjusting, and since we've got like 15 minutes really for it to get on, and there's a little set button, which is, that makes sense. So you hit set. All right. Ooh. We're in. So it's hot. Now it's freezing out here. Close this. You get your towel up here ready, if you're smart, like me. And then, kind of get this in, and get this guy over here. Oh, done. Oh, I don't know what else to say. Another life pro tip is it's easy, but you just kind of push your little towel back and shove your face down in the middle if you want to get your face involved, which is actually nice because your brain is out in the cold or the not cooking area, so, and it does all the same stuff to your face, which is always nice. Damn. Oh. God, it's so hot. Cooked like a steamed vegetable. And it's 0 degrees out here. And I can't feel any of that. But out of respect for the next person, generally good idea to close it rather promptly.